Is your PS5 flashing a bright green screen before suddenly cutting to black? Don't panic because we are going to fix this green screen of death right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. This issue usually happens when there is a major breakdown in the HDMI handshake, or a conflict between your console's HDR settings and your TV's processing power. It looks like a hardware failure, but most of the time it is just a signal mismatch that we can resolve with a few deep settings changes. Step 1 is the classic hard reset. While the console is showing that green screen or is stuck in a loop, hold the power button down for a full 10 seconds until it forces a shutdown. Unplug the power cable for 2 minutes to clear the temporary system memory and then plug it back in. Step 2 is to check your cable quality. The PS5 requires high bandwidth to run correctly. Make sure you are using a certified HDMI 2.1 cable. If your current cable is pinched or old, it can trigger a green screen crash when the console tries to push a 4K signal. Step 3 is to boot into safe mode. With the console off, hold the power button until you hear a second beep about 7 seconds in. Connect your controller with a USB cable to navigate the system menu. Step 4 is to change the video output resolution. Inside safe mode, select option 2 to change the resolution to automatic or even 1080p. This forces the PS5 to restart the handshake with your TV and can often bypass the green screen glitch. Step 5 is to turn off the HDR feature. Many TVs struggle to process high dynamic range color data, which causes a green tint. Go to settings and then screen and video and set HDR to off. This will output a standard signal that is much more stable. Step 6 is to adjust the 4K video transfer rate. In your screen and video settings, change the transfer rate from automatic to -1 or -2. This reduces the stress on the HDMI cable and often stops the flickering and green screen crashes during heavy gameplay. Step 7 is to disable rest mode. Go to settings and then system and select power saving to turn off rest mode features. The PS5 sometimes fails to wake up its GPU properly from rest mode, which results in a total system crash and a green screen. Step 8 is to rebuild the database. In safe mode, select option 5. This scans your entire storage drive for corrupted files that might be causing the graphics processor to hang. This process is safe and will not delete your actual games. Step 9 is to update your system software. If you can get to the menu, check for updates in the system settings. If you are stuck, use safe mode to update via the internet to ensure your console has the latest stability patches. Step 10 is to test a different HDMI port or TV. If the green screen persists, plug the console into a different port on your television or try a different monitor. This helps you determine if the problem is actually with your TV's internal hardware rather than the PS5 itself. For a pro tip, try disabling HDCP in the system settings if you are not using streaming apps like Netflix. This removes a layer of digital protection that often causes signal dropouts and green screen errors during high-speed gaming. If you are still facing any difficulty or the green screen keeps coming back, leave a comment below right now. I will be checking the comments and I will reply to you within 1 hour. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real-world tech solutions. Stay calm because your PS5 is likely fine and you will be back to gaming in no time.